Hello and welcome to this new series, The Labs. My name is Joseph and I hope everyone's doing well today. In today's episode, I'll be covering the burning of steel wool using a 9-volt battery. I should highlight that when burning steel wool it becomes very hot. I can attest to this as I was holding some when I was running this test and I had burnt my fingers. Don't do it. Make sure to use the appropriate containment vessels when running experiments. Now that being said, let's quickly look at the equation here that we'll be using in our reaction. So you'll see that I've got two Fe molecules, or two iron molecules, indicated by the large 2, plus 2 oxygens bonded together, or 6 oxygens in total. And it's going to get converted into 2 iron oxides, or 2 ions, as you can see with the indication of the small 2 there, and 3 oxygens attached to those 2 ions. Now that's been covered, I just want to say that this was partially inspired by 2 other channels I had been watching recently called Nile Red and Thunderfoot. And they kind of inspired me to show you guys some of the more beautiful aspects in science that we don't normally get to view. Now that I've said that, let's get into the footage and I'll show you guys what I captured.